You want your first developer job. You open the internet and everyone screams the same advice. Grind puzzles, memorize tricks, solve abstract problems that look like they escaped a math textbook. So you sit there at midnight, questioning your life choices, wondering how reversing a binary tree proves you can fix a broken checkout page. Here is the quiet secret nobody puts in bold letters. Most real junior developer jobs are not won by puzzle champions. They are won by people who look useful on day one. Not genius, not legendary, just useful. Someone who can open a code base without panicking and make small things better. Companies do not wake up thinking, I hope we hire someone who can solve a maze with dynamic programming. They wake up thinking, something broke, customers are angry, and the code smells weird. They want someone who can read existing code, understand what is happening, and not make it worse. That is why the fastest path to your first job is not more abstract problems. It is proof that you can work like a developer. Real projects, real trade-offs, real bugs that do not have a clean answer. Things that look boring because boring is what pays rent. Build things that already exist, not revolutionary ideas. Build a dashboard. Build a simple application with authentication. Build a feature that pulls data, shows it, and sometimes fails, then fix it. Employers love boring competence more than flashy cleverness. And here's the part people skip. Write about your decisions, why you structured the project that way, why you chose one approach and rejected another. That explanation matters more than perfect code. It shows how you think when the answer is not obvious. Your portfolio should read like a conversation, not a museum. Each project should say, here was the problem, here is what broke, here is how I fixed it, and here is what I would improve with more time. That feels real. That feels hireable. Now let us talk interviews. Most junior interviews are not secret puzzles in disguise. They are sanity checks. Can you explain your code? Can you debug something simple? Can you ask good questions instead of freezing? If you can talk through your thinking, you are already ahead. The irony is that puzzle grinding can actually hurt you. You start thinking every problem has a clever trick. Real code rarely does. Real code is messy, inconsistent, and written by 3 different people who left the company. Learning to survive that is the real skill. Hiring managers know this. Many of them quietly ignore puzzle scores and look for signals of ownership. Someone who shipped something, someone who fixed something broken, someone who can say, I did not know, so I figured it out. The secret is alignment. Match your preparation to the job you want. If the job involves web apps, build web apps. If it involves internal tools, build internal tools. Show that you already live in their world, just without the paycheck yet. And if you are struggling, that does not mean you are behind. It means you were given loud advice instead of useful advice. Stop training for a game nobody plays at work. Start training for the job you actually want to do. Because your first dev job is not about being the smartest person in the room. It is about being the person who makes the room slightly better after you show up. And that skill has nothing to do with puzzles and everything to do with practice.